Hey guys, welcome back to Jen's Creativity Corner. Today we are going to make a unicorn cake and have some fun. I decided to go with a boxed cake set. I did make the frosting from scratch, but I decided to go with box just to make it easier. I figured confetti just seemed the most unicorn perfect kind. And being that it is a white cake, so we're going to be using the egg whites, not the yolks. Also, with the icing, we don't use the yolks, so I'm going to have a follow-up video on that, on what to do with all these dang yolks. So I've got a yummy recipe. Make sure to subscribe, hit the bell notification, stay tuned for that. Either way, we're just going to follow the recipe on the box. I actually used 3 boxes to make a large enough cake that I wanted, and then also some cupcakes. So I greased up my 8-inch round pans, put in the mix, and bake it according to directions. Let it cool properly, and then while I'm doing all that, I did make Swiss meringue. I've got a whole video, it's actually my second most viewed at this time, on why I prefer Swiss meringue over Italian meringue, and I've got a separate video on the recipe, how to make it. Everything links down below, and let's go ahead and take these and level them. I did do this over a couple different days, that's why it was wrapped up, but you're just gonna level these as best you can. There are different tools for leveling. If you watch How to Cake It like I do, she's like meticulous. I'm just going for good enough. Anyway, using my piping bag and putting on my Swiss meringue buttercream. I like Swiss meringue buttercream better than American buttercream right now, just because American buttercream is super sweet. And Swiss meringue buttercream is smooth and rich, but not overpoweringly sweet, because the cake itself is already sweet. So anyway, check out those videos, tons of links below that will be helpful. You can obviously add a separate filling inside. I decided not to, but like a lemon meringue or some sort of raspberry or chocolate, or who knows, whatever you want. Put in some sprinkles. But I decided to make this a 4-layer and just get it as even as I can. I do want to apologize, like the lighting is not that great. I have not been getting out videos nearly as often as I used to, just because I did have to move last fall, and my setup, I'm still trying to figure out like good lighting and timing and all that. So I appreciate those who have joined me and stuck with me, and I'm just kind of, now that the dust has settled in my life, sorting things out. Either way, getting back to the video, I am doing a crumb coat, just trying to even things out. Gonna pop that in the fridge for a few hours and then come back in with some more frosting over top. Now, even in culinary school, I was not a buttercream expert. I was not good at getting it perfectly even. I much prefer working with fondant, but a lot of people don't like fondant. I've got a marshmallow fondant recipe that I like, but for this, I decided to just go with this and try. And, you know, not try to be perfectionist on it. So I'm using these little scrapers, these little comb scrapers that I got on wish.com. I've been doing some shopping there, some hauls. I'm going to do a review video of some cooking and crafting stuff on this channel, but for now I decided to try it. It was all right. Anyway, give it a little bit of a textured top, and then I'm using these little royal frosting, royal icing dots that I made eons ago. The beautiful thing about it is they dry, and as long as you keep them in a cool, dry place, they're gonna stay good for a long time. So video about that down below, but I decided to just cover up my little messy edges there, give it a little decoration, because I didn't have quite the right kind of sprinkles that I wanted anyway, and I didn't want to go to the effort of roses. So anyway, here is my final thing. I did also use royal icing decoration for the eyes. I got the horns and the ears and the little cupcake toppers as a kit on Amazon. You can check out my store down below. I appreciate you guys so much for joining me. I thought about doing a whole like unicorn party theme, because I have some party themed videos that have treats and activities and crafts and stuff. Let me know if you're really interested in that. If we get enough feedback, maybe I'll make that. So thanks for watching, and I hope to see you on my next video.